Hey Siri, play new No Pros RC.
Okay.
Time to put the motor back in. But first, let's eat. Then, let's work.
Enemies.
Okay guys, so welcome back to part 2 of the Traxxas Revo that we purchased from Facebook Marketplace. You can check out that whole story from the video that's going to pop up right there somewhere on how we acquired this. And yeah, so just a quick update for those who are just watching this episode for the first time or new to the channel. But before I get into all that, you might want to subscribe to our Instagram channel to kind of stay in the loop on what's going on here over here at No Pros RC, and you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can stay in the loop on what we got going on week after week here at No Pros RC. Okay, now back to how we got this real quick. Facebook Marketplace, yada yada yada. Obviously, when I purchased this, I was going in with the notion that, you know, something was wrong with it. Seller was very upfront as to what the problem was. Excuse me. That being said, diagnosed it, took the motor apart, and yes, there was something definitely wrong with the carburetor. On the old carburetor, one of these screws was out and it wouldn't stay stationary inside the screw. It was basically stripped or broken on the inside there. So finally got the carburetor. We're going to put it back in, and hopefully that is all that is wrong with this guy and we can actually get it running. Stay tuned. We got a lot of stuff coming to the channel. I chatted enough. It's time to go to work. Let's get this motor in. Let's get this carburetor on the motor first, then get this motor in, then put some fuel in, then see if we can get her started. Let's go. Okay, so just a little update. Got the carburetor on. Now this little piece here, I had to remove from the top of that piece here because I needed to adjust this guy there. And I just learned that just a minute ago. So, you know, we're learning as we go. And, you know, for future reference, now I know how to adjust this guy. So now I'm getting ready to screw it back in. Got the carburetor on the motor. Get ready to put the motor back in the RC, and yeah, we'll proceed from there. Okay guys, so motor's back in, everything's lined up perfectly. So we're coming down to the final steps here. Just gotta hook up the cables for the easy start. I put the filter back on there, hook up the wires, and hook up this guy here, and then put on the stuff that goes on the undercarriage, and yeah, we should be about done. Okay, we are back and everything is as it should be. Filters in, easy start is installed, exhaust is in. We got to put some fuel in it, but most importantly, we got that new carburetor finally installed, as you can see right there. So there's nothing left to do but try to start her up. We got our fuel in there. I'm not gonna put a whole lot in there. I just want to see if we can get it running. On. Let's turn this guy on. Check it. Let's prime it. Okay, here we go. Moment of truth. She runs. That's much more than she did before, y'all. She runs. She runs. She runs. Now let's see if we can keep her running. Woo-hoo! Oh my gosh. This is awesome. This is awesome. So awesome. There you have it. We have fixed our Facebook Marketplace RC. This is about to be epic, so y'all really need to stay tuned for the next video so we can do some rips. Y'all, if y'all see my face right now, I am smiling ear to ear. I freaking did it. We did it, no pros. We did it. We took the motor out. We changed the carburetor. Put a new carburetor in, start her up. She started right up for the most part. I mean, you know, she hasn't been running in a while, but she started up. It's freaking awesome. We're gonna have a blast with it, so stay tuned. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Make sure you like this video, and follow us also on Instagram so you know what's gonna happen on the channel before YouTube. Bruh, this is gonna be super awesome. Yeah, stay tuned for the run of this guy. It's gonna be epic. We're gonna have a blast. So until the next video, y'all be easy. Thumbs up, guys. We did it. We freaking did it. This is awesome. Let's go. Stay tuned for the next video. We out of here. Y'all be easy. Peace.